Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear. As you can clearly see in this video tutorial, it's one of our large extruder drives that we're doing for one of our top clients out in the Northern Nevada area. We are manufacturing a new high-speed pinion and shaft, and we replaced the thrust bearing from the OEM. All bearings and seals are OEM from Timken, all certified equipment, no aftermarket, no stock, no shelf stuff. Everything comes certified with a warranty. While we're here, take a quick peek at that large Western box. We're doing some repairs on it. All our work here at National Gear Repair is warranted for 24 months. Being we have our own quality assurance department, and we test all our equipment on this test bencher that we manufactured here. We run at a 1750 RPM, and we simulate a very light load. However, this gives us the ability to make sure there's no leaking, no vibration, and no overheating. This is why we warranty all our work for 24 months from the date of install. All our mechanics here are certified through Dodge, Falk, and Philadelphia School, not to mention Timken bearing certified. As you will see in this video tutorial, that we will be installing our bearings on with liquid nitrogen and a bearing induction oven here, and let gravity do the work. Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center, focusing on repair and remanufacturing of Gloucester Gearboxes. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a Gloucester gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components, we can reverse engineer them to the exact same specifications and Bernil hardness and Rockwell hardness, which is required from the OEM manufacturers. We can even manufacture gearing such as helical, herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much, much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your Gloucester gearboxes back in a production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk school certified, meaning we don't just change out bearings and seals here at National Gear Repair. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Without further ado, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back. Thank you once again for taking the time out to watch our videos at National Gear. This video will probably conclude our video tutorial of our Gloucester Gearbox repair we're doing for one of our extruder lines that failed up in Northern Nevada. National Gear Repair manufactured a new high-speed gear set, helical. We had carburized that with about 70,000 carburization depth, replaced every single bearing and seal, reset all the bearing floats and the preload on the thrust bearing to the OEM specs. We will now continue testing for the next couple of hours here, just to make sure there's no vibration, no overheating, or any leaking, or any abnormalities, I should say. All turned out very well so far. Well pleased with this. This was the emergency rush repair for one of our clients. Right now we're running about at 1550 RPMs. There is no load on this as we speak. I don't want to mislead anybody, but this gives us the ability to make sure there's no leaking or any overheating on the inside. We check with a thermal gun the temperatures on the bearings. We're happy. We're well pleased with this. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. All work with National Gear Repair is tested and warranted for 24 months from the date of install. Which means if I do a gearbox for you and you put it on your shelf for a couple of years, your warranty starts when you drop it in production. Thank you again for watching. at National Gear Repair. This will conclude our video tutorial. This was one of our larger Gearboxes, one of our top clients up in the North Nevada area. As you clearly see, we manufactured a new high-speed gear set. The gear was manufactured in the same Rockwood and the Bernil hardness, just like that was from David Standard. We placed every bearing and sealing here. We set the bearing and close, one of our master technicians of LG Gloucester. All our mechanics here are Timken bearing certified. And please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our video channel for our future content coming out. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.